अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, कैसे हो? उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं इंग्लिश टॉपिक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करता हूँ। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। आई डिड नॉट इनवाइट हिम। आई रिसीव योर लेटर यस्टरडे। ये प्रीपोजिशन फ़िक्रे है। इस के टेस्ट में इस तरह फ़िक्रे दे रहे हैं। Will you be playing cricket? Boys are flying kites. She always writes in ink. Ali is afraid of our dogs. She sings well. Hard working is key to success. He is reading instead of writing. Identify adjective of origin. Greatest. The comparative degree of much is more. The superlative degree of difficult is most difficult. Ali is taller than Akram. The right adjective of talk is talkative. The antonym of courageous is cowardice. The opposite meaning of bright is dim. The opposite meaning of sweet is better. The synonym of confess is acknowledge. The nearly meaning of the confused is complicate. The doctor treated the patient successfully. Here the word treated mean cure, इलाज करना. Dear, dear, ये कौन सी कैटेगरी में आता है? होमोफोन्स में. It has been raining since last evening. जब टाइम मालूम हो जाए तो सिंस आता है, जब टाइम ना मालूम हो पार आता है. फ्लोरल ऑफ ईयर इज, बाल की जमा क्या है? हेयर, बाल. द वर्ड टेक्नोलॉजी इज द नंबर ऑफ syllables. टेक्नोलॉजी कितने आवाज़ में अदा होता है? 4 वर्ड. टेक्नोलॉजी. They are going to buy a goat. This house is ours. The word our is possessive pronoun है. Ahmad sent me a new mobile phone. Indirect object is me. The correct spelling is festival. They were making a noise when the teacher entered into the classroom. He will have completed his work by sunset. As you sow, so shall you reap. ये proverb है. If he had hard work, he would have succeeded. ये condition sentences है, शर्तिया जुमले है. Identify neuter gerund. Book. neuter gerund की मानी है बेजान चीज़ें. I am sick. Am is verb है. I do my own work. Here do his main verb है. How often do you go to the doctor? They drew a circle. Correct passive is a circle was drawn by them. She said work hard. Correct indirect speech is she advised to work hard.